Konnichiwa, minasan. Samui. Oh gosh. See why it sucks when it's winter? Can you see the water coming up from my washing machine since our washing machine is outside, so this is what we get. The water looks just like a pee. Oh my god, when is this going to just pain in the butt. I think all the tubes, the pipes, not the tubes, pipes are frozen because it's so freaking cold. And I don't know why in this apartment that our washing machine is outside and it's so hard, but everything practically is frozen even inside. Yeah, see how crazy that is. Oh my gosh, it takes forever. Hey guys, so yeah, much better lighting. So yeah, it's been a while since I haven't vlogged. It's like been forever. I think the last time that I vlogged was the first week of December. I forgot, but I think my last video was uploaded the second week of December before it's Christmas. But that was a pre-recorded video because the entire month of December I was down. Neh. Yeah, I got super sick and I feel so tired every day and I don't have the energy to film. So that's what's been happening to me lately. Yeah, an update for you. But now, finally, I'm back. Oh my gosh, I miss vlogging so much and I miss you all so much. Happy New Year! I even forgot to greet everybody. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
It's late.
Yeah, but better late than never, right? Oh my god, the sun is... Oh, but you cannot see me. Better do it like this. Mind you guys, it's so bright and sunny, but it's so cold. Can you see?
Freaking cold.
It's so cold. I cannot breathe because it's so damn cold today. We had our first snow. That was the last week. Yeah, but yesterday we had snowfall and it got -1, -3, and now I don't know what's the temperature for today, but I know for sure that it's cold. So yeah, I'm so excited to see you again, guys. Oh my gosh, I don't know if this vlog, where is this vlog heading today, because it's already late. We've been just chilling, and I did what I made some lumpia. Yeah, our lunch was lumpia. Lunch.
Wow.
Our lunch. Yeah, it was a lazy day. I decided to make some lumpia. You know, so it with the vinegar. So I'll see you later, guys. We don't know where we're heading. I guess we know. We're going to Daiso, of course. So see you later, alligator. Bye. We're out of Daiso. Shopping finish at Daiso. Hi, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
What can you say about
Holiday.
It's getting late. It's 4:30 and we're heading out of Daiso. We're done. So this is my outfit. I don't like my outfit. It's struggling me. My god.
It's struggling you, you're strangling you.
It's strangling me. It's strangling me, but it's so cold. That's why Shuganai. Yeah. Shuganai. Yeah. Scarf. Iranaiwa. Oh my god, I cannot live with this jacket anymore. But it felt so good when you're outside, ne? But if you're inside, oh my god. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
as a tester. Next stop is
Queensland.
Queens. Huh? We censored. My God! Don't say that. No.
Yeah, it's Queensland. Here it's like a restaurant.
Wait.
Yeah. Censored yun ay.
It's not that dark. Unlike before when it's still around 4, it's already dark. But now it's
There's already
almost 5, but the sun is still up. Yes, I'm happy with that because I don't want to live in the darkness forever. So we are finished at Valor and we bought something special for the Valentine's. And you know what it is. But I'm not gonna eat it because I'm refraining myself to eat it. Who's gonna eat it, sweet? You? No, he's not gonna eat it. So I'll just put back this card. Oh my God, it's so cold. Yeah, so my vlogging day is really kind of short because I got a little busy and it was crowded, so I cannot vlog. Look at the snow, you guys. Still not melting because it's cold. Yeah, I can see some scatters all over. Yeah. There's the car. There's the car. Wait for me. So it's movie time. We're going to watch a movie, but I don't know what movie are we going to watch. I'm so sorry for that light at the back, and I'm so sorry for the mess on my side. Yeah, because our house is so small. But oh my God, can you see this big pimple? I'm not liking this one. Yeah. Oh. I don't like this pimple. Horror? Yeah, it's fine. Nagwapo. Ay, ka-cute. So, yeah, let's we will just watch a movie. A horror one, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, so see you later, alligator. Hey guys, so I'm going to do his nails. Yeah, my, nail,
Polisher.
to go. Manicure tools are ready because he told me he wants his nail done. Yeah. I did his haircut this morning and tonight he wants his nail done. Siyusong ungguya. So sir, full service sir. No all the way, okay? So we're done with the nails. So look how clean his nails already. And now it's time for his feet. Oh my gosh. Look how clean that is. Looks nice. Can we show your face? Why not?
I'm still pay.
They do. So we're done and we move to the feet. So finally, manicures and pedicures all done and my back is aching and I'm tired. And it's almost 11. And now he's back to business. He's supposed to be sleepy. He said he wanted to sleep, but he's back to business. Yeah, but nah, I'm so tired. And I wanted to say goodnight now because I wanted to rest. Yeah, because it's almost 11. So I hope you had a wonderful day, guys. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep it smile. So I'll see you in my next video. Love you all. Peace.